Alright, hello everyone. This is MotoThom with today's MotoCommute. It's riveting, exciting action. Commuting through Los Angeles to Beverly Hills. I did not do a vlog yesterday because yesterday it was raining and I do not own any rain gear. Of course, the irony is that I live in a place where you can actually ride all year round, but we do have 10 days of rain or whatever, and without rain gear, that is just that's not happening. What do we got here? No one. Okay. It is a chilly Tuesday morning. I guess someone's trying to make a left turn here. It's kind of dumb. There we go. Yeah, wish I could squeeze down the inside. But I guess this works. As mentioned in another vlog, one of the good things about living here is you get to see a lot of really cool cars. Right in front of us is Mercedes AMG S63. And I think it's the coupe version. Yeah, around here, fairly common vehicle-ish. But I'm aware that that is not the norm throughout the world. And then you have these idiots. Yep, back on Santa Monica, ye old commute. There was a lot of cars on the road yesterday, and it's looking a little heavy today too. But thankfully we can do this, so it's not too much of a problem. Again, there's a nice little Porsche. So, what should we talk about this morning? I'm already halfway to work, so I don't know if there's much to talk about. I guess since it was raining yesterday, we can talk about what a crazy place LA is when it rains. No one here seems to have any clue how to operate their vehicles. They don't know the rules of the road. And of course, when it rains, everybody is in a panic. So that compounds the problem. And yeah, it was interesting to say the least. I do love my Jeep. Jeep is a wonderful vehicle, but it does suck being stuck in it when you don't really have a choice. Kind of like we're about to right here with that little truck up there. It's the bane of the lane splitter's existence, trucks and buses. But you know what, it's all good. It's not really something we have to worry too much about. Just stay away from them and you'll be fine. Anyway, yeah, Los Angelinos and driving, two things that ironically don't really match, even though everybody spends all day, every day in their car here. You do see some of the craziest things you will ever see in this city, simply because people do not know how to drive, which is a shame. You know, they could alleviate a lot of traffic if people just knew how to operate their vehicles. So it might be time for California to implement slightly tougher driving regulations as far as acquiring licenses is concerned. It is laughably easy. I remember when I took mine. I moved here and I went to the DMV. I paid the $20, took the written test, then took the driver's test, went home with a driver's license. Yeah, that's it. That is too easy. And the driving test was just driving a couple of blocks and making some right turns, stopping at some stop signs, parking, not even parallel parking. And then back to the DMV and off I went. Of course, that explains why so many people are so useless at driving here, because it's so easy to get a license. I also think people should probably have their licenses renewed every, 6 to 8 years or something. You should have to pass another test so you don't do what this idiot is doing. Just stopping in the middle of the street, blocking 2 lanes. I mean, it's like case in point. People just don't know, They're useless. So, yeah, it's time to step it up, California. You're good on so many other things, but that is an area that could use some improvement. I get it. Everybody makes mistakes and all that stuff, that's fine. But when you see people who can't make right turns, who never signal and do all these things, it's a problem. It's a real problem. But whatever. You've heard me bitch about the drivers for, what is this now, 5 minutes? 4, 5, 6 minutes, whatever. I'm sure plenty of you can point out plenty of things that I do wrong. So, there's that. Nevertheless, I stand by my words. It should be harder to get and maintain a driver's license in the state of California. And this probably goes for any other state too. Well, folks, we are almost there. We managed to talk about almost nothing again. It's a hallmark of blogs and vlogs. Lots of yapping about nothing. And that is the state of the world in what is now 2019. Yeah, how do we make it to 2019 already? I guess time flies when you're doing stuff. Yeah, well. It is what it is. Well, it's Tuesday. Time to go back to work. I'm not sure what today has in store for me, but I'm sure it'll be riveting and exciting. Almost as exciting as this little vlog you just watched. I know this is now your favorite moto vlog. MotoCommute with MotoThom. Or Italian Tom, as one of my friends call me, because all my gear is Italian. My gear, my bike, everything. So, whatever. MotoThom it is, and we are here. Time to park and go have coffee. Alrighty. Goodbye for now, folks, and maybe I'll catch you on my commute home. Maybe I won't. Have fun out there and enjoy the YouTubes. Bye-bye.